y'all, welcome to my channel. This is Sarah, you guys. And listen, I want to welcome everybody that is new to my channel. Don't be afraid to hit that like and that subscribe button, especially if you like cleaning videos, because you're in the right place. I have different videos, you guys. Mommy vlogs, family vlogs, any type of vlog, I got it. And you guys know I don't mess around with the grocery hauls, but look at all that dust. Ugh. Listen, I've been neglecting our guest area. This is the second floor of our house, so I need to come up here and get down, do some baseboards, everything. I was gonna clean this room, but Bryce is obviously building something, so I decided to just go ahead and leave it alone. But this is Bryce's room right here, y'all. Okay, the other area is a bonus area, but Bryce plays a game, and this is like his area in there. But these are our stairs, and look how dusty they are. Now, don't get on to me if they're not as dusty as you would like them. I do like to keep my house up, but to me, it's dusty. Look, I almost jacked myself up. But let's go ahead and get into this. Ooh, almost fell. Let's go ahead and get into this video.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the
Now right here, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling a little thick in a good way in all the right places. I'm loving it. So which brings me to my next thing, you guys. I had a mommy makeover, so if you're new and you're interested in plastic surgery, go ahead and head over to that playlist. I will put it in a card above right here, and I'm just loving myself, you guys. I love it.
And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
He got me high above, like the sun by the moon. He's a star.
And I'm not even gonna try to lie. At this point, my back is hurting. I've been scrubbing these baseboards, not scrubbing, but wiping them down. My back hurts. I'm not even gonna lie, it hurts.
I'm being honest, y'all. I'm being honest. We just do what we do. Ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't along side by side. Can't believe that he is mine. We making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love, my love.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be.
Ooh, this is one of my favorite parts. Look at this bleach just going in there. Look at that. Mix it with some hot water and ooh.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Now I'm just bleaching these stairs, you guys, because they definitely need it. But I wanted to thank you guys for making it through the entire video. And like I mentioned earlier, I have plenty of cleaning related videos on my channel, you guys. I love cleaning all by myself. I just love it. So don't forget to check those out. I appreciate all of my supporters. You guys know we recently hit 3,000 on YouTube. That's such a big achievement for me. So let's keep building, you guys. I appreciate it once again. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you have your post notifications on, because you know what I'm saying? Don't you want to know when a new video comes out? I'll see you guys next time.